Hey there everyone, what's up? This is Ryan from affiliatetoolsforyou.com, and thank you for taking the time to watch my Funnelvio review. As you can see, I'm right here in the members area, and just let you know this review will take place in 3 parts. First, I'll give you guys an overview of what Funnelvio is in a nutshell, in case you don't already know. And we'll talk about who created it and more or less what it can do and my general opinion of it. Then after that, we'll dive straight into my custom bonuses, which I put together for you to give you guys added value from Funnelvio so you can take advantage of it. Now, these are bonuses that I put together specifically for Funnelvio, okay? So they'll give you value with anything that you need in regard to creating products or funnels and launching and traffic, things like that. A lot of other guys, they'll just sort of heap together a bunch of random bonuses which can do more harm than good. So just keep that in mind when I do show you the bonuses. Last part, we'll go over the sales page for Funnelvio. We'll look at what are the claims made by Funnelvio and decide if the page is being honest and if what you get inside here is really worth your time and your money. Now, I'm sure some of you guys are noticing my eyes are a bit red. It's allergy season right now for me, and I didn't feel like waiting for them to go away before making this video because I got a lot of things to do. So I hope that doesn't bother you guys. It doesn't mean I'm smoking or anything like that, just allergies. Had them since I was a kid. So let's continue with this video. So Funnelvio is a product created by Neil Napier. If you guys follow Muncheye and things like that, you'll see his name popping up a lot. He's created a host of other products like Meetvio, Sendio, which I gotta be honest, I haven't tested those out yet, but those were blockbuster products, grossing, I think, well over $200,000 in the past couple of months. So he has a very good reputation as a vendor, and more importantly, for a vendor that produces software and cloud-based apps and things like this. He has a very reputable development team. So what is Funnelvio? Well, Funnelvio is really, it's a solution to building any kind of funnel you can think of. Now, I know there are different kinds of people watching this video. Some of you guys have been around for a while, so you guys know about Clickfunnels and Builderall and things like that. And then some of you are new and you might not know which companies and resources there are already out there that are reputable and provide funnels. So the typical and most popular funnel builder is Clickfunnels, because you can build sales funnels, lead funnels, web pages with it. Okay, and it's bloody expensive. I mean, the minimum you're going to pay if you use Clickfunnels is $90 or more a month, and most people who use it a lot pay over $200 a month. So that is very expensive. I know it's kept people like me from just rushing ahead and making products because it's it's a pretty big commitment to take on. Okay, now Funnelvio is different in a couple of ways. Number one, Funnelvio, you're only going to pay once for it. And right now it's being priced, I think, between $69 and $77. It might have already gone up. It's going up because it's early in the launch. So it'll probably go up to $90, okay? But it's a one-time payment. You'll pay once and you don't have to pay for it anymore, all right? So that's gonna save you thousands of dollars, okay? Now, of course, that's assuming that Funnelvio is good and if it works good. And I'll show you that later, okay, near the end of the video. I'll show you guys around and I'll show you what I've been able to do with it. But Funnelvio is also unique and I think better than ClickFunnels and the other builders out there because number one, it allows you to use drag and drop. They've combined the use of sections with drag and drop. So if any of you have used Canva or if you've made landing pages on GetResponse or if you've used Wix, think of Wix but 100 times better and easier to use, and you're just clicking on elements and dragging them, which I'll show you in a little bit. So it's a lot easier, in my opinion, than using Clickfunnels and the other builders out there. So guys, let's take a look at my bonuses that I put together for you. So if you want to see my bonuses, and if you want to see and read more information about Funnelvio, I invite you to click the link below in the video description, okay? There's a link there, the very first link, that will take you through to my bonus page. Notice this is an old video. I still got to change that because I'm making the video right now. But this is my Funnelvio bonus page, and you'll get some additional information about Funnelvio, and also have all the information about the upsells on that page. But moreover, I have custom bonuses that I put on this page. Now, if you want to get these custom bonuses, you're going to have to pick them up before August 2nd, before the countdown timer hits 0. I actually have to update this timer as well, so don't go by this one. Click the link and there'll be a new timer. So what are my bonuses that I'm offering? All right. Bonus number 1, I'm gonna show you guys a live webinar. It's not done by myself because I'm not a super affiliate, but this is a live webinar that's done by 1 or 2 super affiliates. It's really helped me out, and I know it will help you out. And it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you're intermediate or advanced. They show different levels of skill sets that you can use to get up to $10,000 a month and more, okay? Very useful training, life-changing training for me. This is what really got me going. And I know there are guys making a lot more money out there, and they've all done this training, all right? So a lot of the stuff they use in this training involves building funnels and selling products, and as well as focusing on email marketing. Bonus number 2, I'm going to show you how to get people to promote your product. Okay, because this is easier said than done, right? The main attraction of going to all the work and initiative of building your own product, that's what Funnelvio is all about, right? It allows you to deliver your own products and make your own sales pages very easily. But you need to know how to attract affiliates to promote the product for you, because the big attraction of having your own product is that you're going to get people sending quality traffic and doing a lot of the work for you. But there are a lot of subtleties and ins and outs to doing that, so I'm going to cover that here in several tutorials. Now, I've done a lot of training with people who are the top in the business, so everything I've learned from them, I'm going to pass on to you. Bonus number 3, I'm going to give you access to my software resellers rights. All right, we're looking at 5 quality softwares, mainly plugins, that are going to help people opt in for landing pages, and also engagement if people are visiting blogs or stores, countdown timers, keyword planning tools, and so much more, other programs as well. Now, these are high quality softwares that have been sold successfully, and it comes also with the sales pages. So all you need to do is download the sales pages and add them into your hosting file manager, all right, and you're good to go. The members area, the support, everything's included. What you can do is you can build a sales page to then sell these products using Funnelvio, all right? So you have an instant business already. Just use Funnelvio to build your sales page, which is really easy, so I'll show you in a minute, okay? Bonus number 4, here's some free traffic and a way to build your brand, which is by regularly posting on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And I'm gonna give you a social media manager, which will do automatic posts for you, automatic engagements, following people, which will get you tons of free traffic to your funnel that you're building. Okay, bonus number 5, I'm going to show you guys how to get high quality but cheap traffic through YouTube ads. So you have a complete YouTube ads training here as well. So this will help you get started right away with promoting your own funnels or collecting leads, whatever it is that you want to do. And then bonus number 6, you'll have access to all the vendor bonuses, which are crazy. I'll go over here. This is a list of the vendor bonuses. He's going to let you choose any 5 bonuses you want from this list of over like 200 bonuses, all right? So this is pretty cool as well. I'm not going to read them all to you, okay? But you have email, survey funnel, curation pitfalls, list check, member check, local upsell, price wars, cartoon images, done for you follow-up swipes, video portfolio, WordPress theme. Okay, the list goes on, all right? So he's going to give you a ton of bonuses. I'll be honest though, I think my bonuses are better because there's intent behind my bonuses. I've put them together, specific bonuses that will basically help you do exactly what you want. And if you're here, it's because you want to make sales pages, lead capture pages, you want to eventually launch a product, and of course you want to make lots of money using that product in email marketing. And all my bonuses focus on that. And you'll only be able to get my bonuses through this link. You're not going to be able to get them through anybody else. But you will also get all of these bonuses as well. So enough about bonuses. Let's take a look at the sales page. And let's see, here it is. So here's the sales page, guys. And here's what's really cool. Right now, I have access to a discount code that you can use. You can just copy and paste that if you do choose to buy this and check it out. It will save you 20%, all right? So just, guys, remember that. Remember to use the discount code if you choose to go with Funnelvio, of course. And I think you will if you see the rest of this video. So clone any funnel with just 3 clicks. Create unlimited ultra-fast loading pages, 99% uptime, securing profitable funnels at a launch special one-time price. This is all true. Now what I like is he's not claiming you're going to make $1 million tomorrow, right? He's offering you a high-quality service and a high-quality solution, right, to building funnels. And in my opinion, this is better than all the other ones out there, and it's cheaper. I mean, so better and cheaper, you can't beat that, all right? Why is it better? Because you can take the web page of any funnel that you want, all right, and you can clone it. That will save you hours of work. It means you don't have to pay web designers or sales page copywriters. You can clone another person's page and then change it. Obviously, you must change it, and I'm not telling you guys to steal people's pages. One, it's unethical. Two, you're not going to be successful, right? People want to see original content. But you can take a page and then follow its recipe, right? I'm going to show you that in a minute, all right? And the 99% uptime, this means it's going to be ultra-fast web speed, which is really important, you know, for SEO and organic traffic. And how he does that is he uses Google Clouds, all right? So everything is hosted on the Google Cloud platform. All right, so, okay, blazingly fast, built-in checkout and reporting system, pick and use, 160 pre-done modern design packages. So he has pre-done for you templates that you can choose from. One-click share, clone, and publish. Create unlimited funnels and pages. You know, you can have up to 100,000 visitors per month. Actually, you can have more than that. He has upsells. Built-in page importer, no coding or technical skills required. This is all true, guys. If you can use Canva or if you can use Wix, you can use this, all right? So let's actually go back in the members area and I'll show you, where was I? Here we go. So here's the members area, okay? So here you can click new funnel, all right? Here are a bunch of test funnels. So how it works is you'd click on new funnel, and here you can choose the type of funnel you want to make: a sales funnel, lead generation funnel, product launch funnel, webinar funnel, custom funnel, and then you have, I'm using the review access, so it says beta, but if you buy this will be like finished. But if you click here, you can steal another person's funnel. Now, I've done that. I wasn't even expecting it to work because I only have the review access. So this is the funnel that I stole, okay? This is a product that just launched 2 days ago. And don't worry, Jamie, I'm not really going to steal your page if you're watching this, okay? But Other people will, because all you got to do is you take the address of this page, copy it, and when you click on here, okay, now it's warning me because it's in beta, but it won't be giving you this warning. And I put it in here, all right, like that, guys. And then you write the type of page. Well, it's a sales page. Now, I'm not going to click next because I already did it. It's going to take, it takes about 1 to 2 hours for it to work, all right? Because especially if it's a long sales page, and this is a long sales page. So what I've done is I've already done it, and this is what I got, all right? This is it. This is the exact same page. Look at that. Everything. Now, the only thing that didn't come through was the video, but that's fine, because like I said, you're not allowed to steal people's sales pages and videos. But what I can do is now I can change the wording on this, right? So I can write, I don't know. I can write, I use this every day. I don't know, right? I'm not teaching you guys sales copy. I'm just showing it, right? I use this every day, and I make, and you can change the colors. You just click, right? You can just click on everything. Okay, and now I'm not going to give you guys a full demo of this because I just tried this out myself, guys. I just looked at this last night, but it's that easy. You can copy a sales page, change the background, change the colors, change the copy, but it's going to save you so much time because I've been using other page builders and I could spend hours just trying to build all of this, and then something small could happen and it would get wrecked, right? Especially if you're using a block system and you don't know how to use it. But this is all just drag and drop, all right? Very, very easy. Look, I can move this around, move the video around, just like on Canva. And you can't do that on Clickfunnels, all right, guys? So that's big. Now, let's compare the sales pages. See, everything is there. You scroll down. This is marketing rewards sales page. And now this is my new sales page, all right? See, all the same. And I can change the graphics, all right? See, I can insert a new graphic. I can go to the free gallery. All right, I can put in a new picture. Let's just have some fun here. See, new picture. Very easy, right? You can change the size of the picture. Just drag and drop, guys. Like I said, it's like Wix, but 10 times faster and better. Okay, so guys, no BS, no baloney in this video. You can see that this is fast, all right, and easy. I mean, it doesn't get easier. What you want to do is you want to find a funnel, a sales page of a product that's selling really well, like this product's selling really well. And then what you want to do is look at, well, what's he doing on this sales page? And then just change it to match your product, right? So, I would put obviously you got to change the graphics, right? Because you're not allowed to just plagiarize. But I'll put my own graphic here, right? So, right, this is an entire graphic right here. So I would create my own background on Canva and then just replace this image with my image, right? And that's easy to do. You just go on Pixabay, you find an image, right? And you just add it to this page. I would just change this or move it around. Again, I would add a different background image. Maybe I'll add an image of the moon instead of the earth, or a different image of the earth. Really, really easy, guys, all right? But, if you see that he's getting lots of sales using this layout, then you copy that layout. All right, I've spent enough time on that. Now, of course, there are templates. Here's a template I opened. As you can see, I copied his background. Okay, this is a template that's actually in Funnelvio, but I changed the background a bit. Whoops, that's not the background. We want the background. Doesn't let me change the background here for some reason. Here we go. So that I had uploaded this image actually from Jamie's sales page, and this I think is the original background or one of the original backgrounds. So I click apply, and boom. That's what this template looked like. But look how quickly I changed the background, okay? Just double click and you can pick any background you want, okay? He's got like backgrounds preloaded, but obviously if you want your own, you would upload a picture, an image, and and then just click on it. Here, let's add a burning newspaper background, all right? All right. I don't think I'd want to use that on a sales page. But it's kind of cool. Thought I'd show you guys how quickly and easily you can change the background. All right, so you just go through this template. You can change the backgrounds, but I don't know. I prefer finding sales pages like this one that are high performing and just uploading them into Funnelvio and then changing it, because that way I know that I'm using a winning formula. I don't have to think and scratch my head. Just copy a formula that's working and make it your own. So guys, that's a demo of Funnelvio. Of course, there's much more to show you. But like I said, I'm not an expert on Funnelvio, but Neil Napier is, and he's agreed to do a complete demo for you guys, all right? So he's given me a full demo. So if you want to watch and see like in detail how to build a lead funnel, how to set up your autoresponder, how you get the links for your site, this demo will show you that. Of course, if you purchase this, there'll be training as well. So I'm going to hand the camera over to Jamie, and he's going to give you guys a full demo. But before I do that, because I don't want to come back on at the end, I'll just show you what the upsells are, all right? So there are a few upsells. Like I said, it's $67 to $77 right now, okay, if you use the discount code. And obviously the $67 version, it's only 20,000 visitors. $77, you'll get 50 sites, unlimited funnels, unlimited pages, and 100,000 visitors per month can visit your page, all right? Because they're going to host it for you. All right, so obviously I recommend that. For $10, you're getting almost unlimited use. Now, if you're already really successful, then you might want to go for the first major upsell, which is Funnelvio Completely Unlimited, which is either $197 a year or $297 lifetime payment. Okay, so you'll get everything in the front end, but unlimited sites, unlimited traffic, and Smart Academy, which is like training, right? Like high-end training. But what you really want, like, this is if you're building a product every month and you're getting maybe 200,000 visitors a month, then you'd want this. Otherwise, if you're just starting out, I would go with this because it's only $10 more than this one, so that if you scale, you won't go over your limits. Okay, that's what I'm going to get. I'm going to get this because I'm sick of my other funnel builder. All right, upsell number 2, Funnelvio Smart Academy, $197, access to all our Smart Academy courses. Upsell number 3, Funnelvio templates, $17 a month or $97 per year. Upsell number 4, Funnelvio MeetVio Pro. This will allow you to build webinars and video meetings and things like that. Sorry guys, I'm just sort of burping. Okay, I'm not going to read anymore. You guys can read the rest. I'm going to, again, hand the camera over to Neil. So if you want to see a more detailed demo and sort of understand how you would use it before you buy it, just stay on here and watch Neil. So thanks, Neil. And guys, I'm going to hand you over to Neil now.
Hello and welcome to the Funnelvio demo. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a funnel with Funnelvio as well as have your products up and running so you can start selling. So when you first log in and when you first want to create your funnel, you're going to see this modal. In here, you need to pick any of these options. I'll come back to import funnel a little bit later. Really cool feature, and I want to leave the best to the end. But in this case, you can start with any kind of funnel. I'll pick sales funnel, and it gives you some preset pages that you can choose. Simply add more if you want, or just click next. Pick one of the funnel templates. So there are quite a few that we have in place already. We've got about 19 different templates planned, and you can pick any one you want. And each template comes with 10 different page types, and that will be able to associate the right page type with your needs. So I'm going to call this one Math Teachers. and let's go ahead and create our funnel. All right, so the funnel is created and it takes me straight into the editor, as you can see over here. If I click, just hover over here, you can see all the pages that are available as part of this funnel. You can quickly switch from one to the other and you can start editing it. It takes us a few seconds to load up all the elements in the page so that everything is available for you in real time as you're editing it. So there you go. For example, this is the upsell page where you can start selling something, you can make an offer. We can add a downsell page, a thank you page, and finally a checkout page as well. Checkout page is where the person actually pays you money. So let's go ahead and use this one. So this is our page and this is our editor. It's a really cool editor, really powerful editor because it's completely drag and drop. Think about having full control on your page and we give you that. Now, just so you know, we've got a second version of this editor in the works, and that's going to be a mix of block based and drag and drop like this. So this is literally drag and drop anywhere, as you can see. But the next version is going to be block based as well as drag and drop both, and you can mix and match it as you want. So if you're not too comfortable with this, it'll become easier for you when we release that new version in about a couple of months. So when I look in this one, I can see this is the image. If I want to shrink this image, I can do so by just doing that, for example, and I can move it here again. And you can see, I can see grid lines, the white grid lines, which allow me to see exactly where I need to place this. I think it's in a pretty good position right now. If I want to edit this text, I'll go in, I'll click on edit text, and this is the text. I can change this from heading 3, for example, to heading 2 or heading 4, heading 1, it's entirely up to me. So I'll go for heading 2 in this case, and you can see now it's bigger. You can also, when you're done, just mark it done and you're good to go. Now, here's something you need to know about this editor. It's really easy for you to move stuff up and down, and as you do, you can see exactly where it's being placed as well. What's the distance between top and bottom? And of course, you can get it just right if you wanted to. And if you want to move multiple elements, just select one, select another, and you can move both of them up or down. So this one, in this case, I'm going to move the video to the middle. So let's go ahead and move the video to the middle. And you can see with this kind of index, now we know it's in the middle. And if I move this as well, I'll see another line here which tells me we're now in the middle. So this is good. If I want to shrink the space a little bit, I'll just move it up top and the space gets shrunk, and then I can take all these things. Now let's say if I want to select everything here, I'm just going to select this, and say okay, let's move everything up, and there you go, it starts moving everything up. So this is how easy it is for you to change your pages, for you to customize your pages with Funnelvio, with our funnel builder. It's a really first-class funnel builder with lots of ways for you to enhance the value by, for example, adding more text, adding picture, adding gallery, media if you want to, maps as well, shapes. So if you have a few shapes as well that you can choose. We then also have lines, buttons, menu items, languages, blocks, social, sharing buttons, a blog link if you have one. So if I click on this, for example, you can sort of put a blog type in here too, which I wouldn't really recommend for a funnel anyway, but you could have one. Then we've got a buy button and smart membership. I'll come to that in just a second. But there's languages too. So if I click on languages, you can give people the option to choose one or different languages. Now this is in beta at the moment, and eventually we'd be able to provide translation in multiple languages automatically as well. So the one thing I want to show you here as well is the buy button, which is pretty cool. So if I choose the buy button, it places the buy button right here, right? It gives me the option to place anywhere. Let's say if I want to put it right here. Okay, that's in place. I can go and edit it, and then I can go to properties and customize it as I want. I can choose button text, button color, size and borders, icon, shadows, any of those things. And here's a cool thing. If you have a product that you've created within this software, so let's say Meet Your Sales is one product that I've created, I can choose one of the different variants that's available, and I can sell that directly from this page. So I can just make sure everything looks fine as I expect. So if I want to change the color, let's say I want to change the color to red, I can apply. If I want to, so this is what the button is going to look like, right? So I want this to be red as well. There you go. Now this is what the button looks like. Button text is click here. I could say go buy now, done, and you just apply, and that's it. Now you don't need to get your payment code from somewhere else and put it in here. You can start selling immediately because our smart products actually connects with Funnelvio with the smart funnels so that you can start selling products immediately. I'll show you that in a second as well. But now that you're happy with it, click on publish. You can save draft or you can backup or restore a version as well. But click publish and you're done. So it will take a few seconds for your page to be published, and once it is, if you want to, you can already preview it within this editor by clicking that button. And let me show you what this will look like. Great. Let's go ahead and go back to the editor. Another thing is that you can actually use auto layout feature to customize this layout for both desktop, tab, or all desktop, tablet and phone, or you could do it manually as well. I recommend doing it manually if you have a bit of time so you can perfect it as you want. But once you're happy with it, let's go back, let's close this editor and let's go back and look at the page in reality. So there we are. The upsell page was the one that we were editing. I'm going to click on the view button and you will see that this is what the page now looks like. So this is exactly what we had in mind, and this is the page, and you can customize it, change it as you want as well. So you can see in the URL in the browser, this is what it looks like. Now, Funnelvio also comes with smart products, which basically is a house for all of your products that you want to sell using Funnelvio, smart funnels and smart products, that is. Now, Funnelvio is of course owned by Kyvio, which is why you see the Kyvio logo up there. But once you go into this, you'll see all the stats about everything that you've been selling. You'll see how many orders you've had, how many orders you've had in the month or the week, and for the entire year, for example, your revenue and other details as well. If I go into product overview, you can see how many products are available here and how many orders have been made and how much revenue you've generated. Now, if you want to add a new product, it's pretty straightforward. Just go ahead, click on new product. So once you click on that, you can pick digital products, click on next step, and you can put in whatever product information you'd like. So I'm going to put some of the information in here right now. So in this case, I'm going to sell another product that we have, which is Meetvio, and I'm going to just put down this in place as well. Let's go next. And you can either choose our Kyvio checkout system, which is our parent company, so you can connect with PayPal, Stripe and Paddle, or you can connect with JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Thrivecart, PayKickstart, I believe it's coming up as well, many other things as well. Then you choose a price point that you want. So in this case, for example, I'm going to choose a subscription price point, and I'm going to say we want to charge $69 every month, and that's indefinite, there's no trial. I can set all these things up as you want, and this is a thank you page once people buy. Okay, so once they do, I'm going to go next. And if I want to collect leads as well, I could do all those things too. But once everything is set, now I can start selling this product from the page that I had previously created. But having said all this, the coolest feature I think of Funnelvio, well, one of the coolest features is actually import funnels. So let me show you how that works. So let's go into Smart Funnel. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to start a new funnel, and I'm going to this time actually clone Tony Robbins' funnel. So Tony Robbins has a funnel that he sells. He's got a challenge funnel. It's called the Comeback Challenge. So I'm going to click on Import Funnel, and let's go ahead and add a few other URLs as well. So let's go ahead and add this URL. That's not the one. Okay, so this is the first one, which is going to be the pre-sale page. It's his opt-in page, and then this is going to be his welcome page. So this is going to be the thank you page. This is important for classification. I'm going to click next and call this and just so you're aware, this is what his funnel looks like. So this is his landing page that he has, and this is the thank you page that he has as well. So this is what we're going to clone into our system and use that as inspiration to build on. Now, of course, you should only really use the pages that you are allowed to, or you're going to make sufficient changes to them after. So this takes a few minutes, sometimes to an hour, depending, or a few hours depending on how long the queue is. But when that happens, you will get a notification up over here, and you can always come back and check once that's in place. So as you can see, this is currently available, but it is being worked on. So I'll pause the recording and come back once this is available to show you. So as you can see, this is the page that we were able to grab from that Tony Robbins page. Now, not everything is perfectly lined up, but that's okay. It's really easy to customize it. For example, I got rid of the background image because I didn't want this background image. So I could go to properties and I could either put my own background image or change background color to be, say, black in this case. So once I put that in, say apply, and now you can see we've got a different looking background from what Tony had. And you can make changes all across the board here. So you can select this text and just select all of it, and you can change the style, you can change the colors to anything that you would like to do. Basically, it becomes easy for you to take another page that you own and adapt it as you want. But the cool thing is, it's not just with the page, it actually works with the entire funnel. So you can take all the products, any kind of pages that you have, and you can place all of them into a funnel, and it will import them for you, maximum 7 at a time. Again, really powerful feature, and there's so much more to Funnelvio. I won't have time to show you everything here right now, but you can read all about it if you're on the sales page. The coolest thing is that we have new features coming out every single week, and I can't wait to have you on the ride with us with Funnelvio.